Hare Krishna and a very warm welcome to all my dear little angels. In the last video, I have shown you how to find the square of a number whose unit digit is 5. Now in this video, I am going to show you the reverse of that. Means the first digit is 5. The first digit is 5. It can be any digit number, but the number general form is 5a. A can be 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. That doesn't matter. But the first digit should be 5. So how do I find the square of such a number? A 2-digit number, 3-digit number in such a fast way. For that, I am sharing my screen with you. So please come on my screen. And yes, so please confirm to me that my screen is visible to all of you and that I am also audible to all of you. Now, for finding the square of all the numbers, that starting with number 5 means the general technique is as follows. Now, I have shown you the numbers. See the digits of the number. Say the number can be 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. It can be any digit number. I'm taking up to 4-digit number. Say 56, 512, 5015. You see here, all the numbers are having 5 in the beginning. All the numbers are having 5 as the first digit of the number. 56, 5, 512, 5, 5015, again 5. But they are different digits numbers. 56, 2-digit number, 512, 3-digit number, 5015 is a 4-digit number. So all the digit numbers are of different digits. Now to make the square of this number, first of all, you have to write the square of 5. Square of 5 and make sure that the number of digits in the square should be equal to the number of digits in the given number. Now 56 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 5 square as 25. 56 being a 2-digit number, I will write square of 5 as simply 25. Now 512 is a 3-digit number, so what I will do, I will write the square of 5 as 250. 250. And because I require 3 digits, so I put 250. Then 5015 being a 4-digit number, I put the square of 5 as 2500, right? So this is the first thing you have to note. How many digits are there in the given number? As many digits you will place in the square value of 5. 2-digit number, 2 digits, 25, 3-digit number, 250, 4-digit number, 2500, and if it is 5-digit number, then 25000, right? Now, the technique is, the next step is that you add the balance part of the number. A means the number is 5a, then you add a to this square, to this value of 5 square. So you add a to 25, 250, 2500. For 56, you add 25 plus 6, and you get the answer 31. For 56 square, you add 6 to 25, because 5 square is 25. So 25 plus is equal to 31. For 512, what you will do? You will add 12 to 250. So answer is 262. In the same way, for 5015, you will add 015 to 2500, and the answer will be 2512. That is the first part of the answer, the left part. Now for the balance part, the right part, find the square of a. Find the square of a, and the number of digits in this square should be equal to the number of digits of the given number. If they are extra, you have to go for balancing. If they are less, then you add 0. Now I will explain all these in my examples. Now suppose you have to find the square of 58. Now as I told you, 5 square is 25. You have to add 2-digit number because 50 is a 2-digit number. Add 8 to this number, 25. You get 33. Then followed by 8 square. Now 8 square is equal to 64. Because 8 square is 64, a 2-digit number, and 58 also a 2-digit number. So no balancing is required. No, nothing is required. Or just write the number 64. Then you have not to add any 0. You have not to do any balancing. So answer is 3364. In the same way, 59 square. Now you add 9 to 25, you get the answer 34. And then you find the 9 square. 9 square is already a double-digit number. So no need of any balancing or adding any 0. So answer will be 3481. 3481, right? In the same way, for the square of 515. Now here you see, I've done the 5 square as 250, not 25, 250. This is the first thing you note, because these are 3-digit number. So I have to write the square as 250 as 3-digit number. Then I add 15 to this number. I get 265. I get 265. And then followed by the square of 15. Followed by the square of 15. Now 15 square is equal to 225, a 3-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. So no balancing is required. No adding 0 is required. No addition of 0 in front of them is required. Already I am getting this should be a 3-digit number, and already 15 square is a 3-digit number. So nothing is required to be done. Simply answer is 265225. 265225. Now suppose I have to find the square of 535. Now here again, the technique remains the same. 5 squares will be 250, and then you add 35 to that number, you get 285. 285. And as I know what is 35 square, in the last video I have shown you how to find the square of number ending with 5. It is 1225. Now here you see 1225. is a 4-digit number. It is not a 3-digit number. It is a 4-digit number, which means this extra number, this digit extra, this number 1 is extra. So I need to balance with this number. What I do balancing? I will shift to the next column, that is 285 plus 1. So answer will be 285 plus 1, that is 286, followed by 225. Final answer is 286,225. Why I have done the balancing? Because the number is 535, is a 3-digit number, so the square should also be a 3-digit number. But square is 4-digit number. This extra number 1 I am taking forward for balancing, and so the value of 285 becomes 286, and the rest of the part of this 225. Right? In the same way, suppose I have to find the square of 508. Now 5 square is equal to how much? 250. And then you add to that 8. So 250 plus 8 becomes 258. Followed by 8 square or 0 square. Now 8 square is equal to 64. Now 64 is a 2-digit number. Whereas I have told you that 508 being a 3-digit number, I should write a 3-digit number over here. So what will I do to make it a 3-digit? I will put a 0 before the number. Please remember, put a 0 before the number and not after the number. If you write after the number, your answer will go wrong. So put a 0 before the number. The value of the number is not changed. You can't change the value of the number by putting 0. So the final answer is 258064. Final answer is 258064. In the same way, now I have to find this big number square, 5015. Now 5 square is equal to how much? 25. But because it's a 4-digit number, so I will get 4-digit by putting 2 zeros at 9. These 2 zeros I will put at 9, right? And it becomes 2500. It becomes 2500. Then I simply add 15 to that number. The technique is same. Whether 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, doesn't matter. Technique is same. So I add 15 to that number. It becomes 2515. Followed by the square of 15. Square of 15 is how much? 225. Now 225 is a 3-digit number, whereas this number 5015 is a 4-digit number, and I require a 4-digit number. So what will I do? I will again put 0 in front of 225. I will again put a 0 in front of 225 to make it a 4-digit number. Remember, you have to put a 0 in front of the number and not at the end of the number. If you put that 0 at the end of the number, the value of the number changes. It becomes 2250 and not 225. But when you put a 0 in front of the number, it remains the same as 225. So you can't change the value of the number. So always put 0 in front of the number. So the final answer is 25150225, right? Now, in the same way, I have to find the square of 5065. Now here you see 5 square is 2500. I add 65 to that. It becomes 2565. Then I find the square of 65. But the last video, you must know how to find the square of 65. It is 4225. Now 4225 is already a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit number only, and I want a 4-digit number only because 5065 is a 4-digit number. So no need of any balancing, no need of any putting any 0. So because it is already a 4-digit number, so I just leave it as it is, and my answer will be 25654225, right? So this is a very simple technique. And now I show you that square of 125, 5125. Now 5 square is equal to how much? 2500, because the 4-digit number. I simply add this a part, means 125. It becomes 2550 plus 125. It was 2625. Then I write down the square of 125. Now 125 is equal to 15625. Now this is a 5-digit number. This is a 5-digit number, whereas I require only a 4-digit number. This one is extra. So I'll do balancing on this. I will take it to the next number, 2625. And 2625 plus 1 becomes 2626. And the balance number is 5625. So the final answer is 2626, 5625. Final answer is 2626, 5625. Why I have done the balancing? Because 15625 is a 5-digit number, and I require simply a 4-digit number. So the extra number should be carried forward for the balancing. So in this way, I have shown you how to find the square of all the numbers: 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 5-digit, 4-digit number. And the same technique can be extrapolated for bigger number, say 5005, 50025, 500035. Means the beginning number is 5 only, and it can be a 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number. The technique will remain the same. So you have to find the square of all the numbers. Now here, as I shown you, 51 square. Now 51 square is equal to how much? If your 5 square is equal to 25, then we have to add 1 to that, and then followed by 1 square, Now 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Now 1 square is equal to how much? 1 square is equal to 1 only. But I require 2-digit number because 51 is a 2-digit number. So I write 01. I put a 1. I put a 0 before 1 because I write this number as a double digit number always as a double digit number. So I write the number as 2601. In the same way, for 52 square, I will write 04. I will write 04. For 53 square, I have to write 09. Right? So in this way, you can calculate all these squares. Let me check this number. This is 53 square. Right? You have to find 53 square. And when you find 53 square, then it becomes 25 plus 3 is 28, followed by 09, 2809. Why 0? Because 3 square is a single digit number, whereas I require a double digit number. So please remember, when the product is square is coming as a single digit number, you have to put a 0 before the number to make it a double digit number. So this is a very simple technique I have shown you, and in this way you can find the square of all these numbers. All the numbers are starting with 5. 5 0 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5. So they have written all these numbers. You can copy down all these numbers to practice all these number squares. So students, I have shown you just now a very wonderful technique of finding the square of all the numbers, which the starting number is 5. It is just opposite to the previous video where the ending number is 5. So as I told you, 5 is a very special number, and special techniques are there to find the square of number ending with 5 and starting with 5. So now I am stopping my sharing of this screen. And children, if you feel that my video is really worth your precious time and that you have really learned something valuable, something knowledgeable, it is added to your value, your knowledge, then please do subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. And if you want to learn more such techniques, more such square techniques, I have told you there are many more techniques of finding the square. I've just shown you 2. There are many more techniques of finding the square. So if you want to know all those techniques of squares, cubes, square roots, square roots, addition, subtraction, multiplication, means everything about mathematics, all the operation of mathematics, whether by this speed mental math, then do subscribe to my channel. Do call me at my number 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811. So thank you very much for sharing your valuable time with me. And I'm really grateful to you, thankful to you that you have shared your valuable time with me. In the next video, I will show you some more other techniques, wonderful techniques of finding the squares, other techniques of speed mental math. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.